up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are racing the great outdoors. Man versus machine, nature versus man.
Hey guys, for this race, we have no other than Tanner on his 250 Suzuki. We have me on the CRF 250. We got Preston on also a CRF 250. And then we got Mason on his TTR 125. This is going to be a crazy time trials race. Anything can go. You hope that you don't kill the bike. Fastest person wins, obviously. We get 2 tries each.
We'll have 2 time trialed runs, and we will get to choose the best run out of the 2. So it's a bit of a gamble.
Yeah, it is. Let's hope we do not die. Wish me luck. All right, Tanner, how do you think you did on your first run?
I think it went pretty well. There's a couple places I need to get faster through. Washed out a couple times. Need to maybe take some air out of my tires.
Sounds good, sounds good. Good luck on your next one.
See you in the next one.
Okay, Caden, how do you feel about the fact that half of the track is uphill, half of it's downhill? There's mud, there's holes, uneven ground.
Man, the track takes a lot of skill, guys, a lot of skill. If you mess up on even one part, you're done for. Your time is nothing. I think I did pretty good. I had no slip-ups, no major crashes or anything. I did get caught up in those trees. My GoPro got stuck on a leaf, nearly yanking me off my bike. We came back though, we finished strong. I'm excited to see what everyone else gets. Let's hope we make it to the semifinals.
How do you feel about the fact that 2 of the competitors are having bike troubles today?
That makes me look even better. That should give me a better shot to win. And if I still lose, even with their complications, then maybe I'm just not meant for the win today.
All right, well, we wish you the best.
Thank you. All right, Preston, how do you feel you did?
Had a little close calls, but it's all right. We had a decent.
All right, we'll see you at the podium. All right, Tanner, how do you feel about that second run?
All I can say, my opponent, a running stream. Me, a beaver. My bike, a strong dam. We have no opponents making it past our impenetrable dam.
Let's go, let's go. We'll see you at the podium.
I'll see you then.
Oh no. All right, we're walking it up. Oh my goodness. I thought I could save it. Nope. We crashed. Oh my. Okay, let's get back out there. Come on. All right, guys, I'm very disappointed in that run. I stalled at the top of the hill, losing all the precious time that I made up. That was definitely my best run at the start, even at the end. But halfway through, we stalled the bike up the hill. I had to push it up, as you saw in the footage. So I'm hoping that'll carry me into the finals. Oh man, I'm really sad about that run, not gonna lie. Okay, Preston, how do you think you did?
Not great. I wiped out and ate some dirt, but I think I made up for a little bit of the time.
Yeah?
We'll see.
That's good, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so coming in 4th place, we have 228 at 5 minutes and 15 milliseconds.
All right, boys, 4th place. Good job. I'm out.
Yeah.
Coming in 3rd place, we have number 10 at 4.5 seconds and 13 milliseconds.
3rd place. Thank you.
And then coming in 2nd place, we have number 81 at 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
2nd place. What?
1st place, we have 7.54, and then we have that time being 4 minutes and 14 seconds.
First place! Yes!
Yeah, wait.
Hey guys, thank you so much for liking this video. Hashtag not sponsored by Arizona T, CTP Bikes, and all the other sponsors of this channel. Thank you so much.
All right, Tanner, how do you feel about getting number 1 in the time trials run?
You know, it was a hard-fought battle. 2nd place was right on my heels for most of it. We didn't know until the end of the race. But I just want to say thank you to my sponsors, Arizona T, Mad Hatter Play Cafe, and all the other people who are behind me. Most of all, I want to give it up to our good Lord, Jesus Christ. I wouldn't be able to get here without him. Yeah.